So guys, good morning everybody.
Wow!
Hi, say good morning, Mr. Chauffeur. I'm taking a video. So this car is something unique because it has a built-in massager. Asa man dapita? Di ara. Yeah, I can feel it. So prines lang niya yung remote in front of him. And yeah, we can feel the massage in our back. Diba? Ang social.
Yeah.
That's why this is a bit expensive. It's 4,000 for 1 hour trip. Less than an hour trip. Oh, isulit siya, Rox, no? Bayad ka ng 4K na taxi, van rental, and then may kasama na ring massage.
TV?
I love it.
Oh, you have TV.
Oh,
TV.
there's also TV.
Wow.
Ang gaseous
It's
talaga.
nice.
So, napaka-high-tech talaga dito sa Shanghai. I love it. Ang problema, puro Chinese yung palabas. Yeah. Sarap. Ito yung need ko talaga massage. Ayan, ang ganda.
How much is this car?
No,
Ah, Ernie is flying to buy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
5 million?
50万人民币。
Tuara.
500 RMB.
500,000 RMB.
500,000 RMB.
So just multiply with 8 dong. Mauna yung price sa Philippine money, Philippine peso. Dali. Ang bilis ang decision making Yan, ganda ng
4
car na to,
million?
everybody. Mayroong masahe sa likod.
4 million ba?
Artista van to. Of course, pag dinala mo to sa Pinas, it's gonna be double kasi you have to pay for taxes. Sa mga